Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our discussion of the cultural significance of Gumaba Awardis, Langdulay, Salinta Monom, and Alonzo Saclag. I'm Risa Joy Favorada, and I will be the moderating this discussion with my co-host Mary Gwen Polita.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're excited to have three expert speakers who will share insight on these national treasures. Let's start our first speaker, Cassandra Dicto, who will talk about the Langdolais Tinalak weaving.
Thank you. Langdulay Sinalak weaving is not just a traditional craft but a representation of Tiboli people's rich cultural heritage. The intricate designs and patterns reflect history, mythology, and connection to nature.
Thank you, Cassandra. Now let's open the floor for questions. Mark, do you have a question?
Yes. How do lies weaving contribute to the preservation of Tiboli culture?
Langdulay's weaving helped preserve Tiboli culture by passing down traditional techniques and design to younger generation, promoting culture awareness and appreciation.
Great question. Jasmine, can you share insight on this Salenta Monons in naval weaving?
Salinta Monon's inabal weaving is a testament to the Bogobo people's rich textile tradition. Her work showcased intricate patterns and design that reflect their cultural identity and history.
How does Salinta-Monan's weaving differ from other traditional textiles in the Philippines?
Salinta Monon's inabal weaving is distinct due to its use of specific materials, techniques, and design unique to the Bogobo people.
Thank you, Jasmine. Stephanie, can you tell us about Alonzo Saclag contribute to Kalinga music and dance?
Alonso Saclag is a master of Kalinga dance and performing arts. He has preserved and promoted Kalinga culture through his performance and teachings, showcasing the richness of Philippine cultural heritage.
How has Alonzo Saclag's work impact the preservation of Kalinga culture?
Alonso Saclag work has helped preserve Kalinga culture by reviving traditional music and dance, and promoting cultural awareness and appreciation among younger generations.
Thank you, Stephanie. Let's have more question and reflection for Mark. Thank you, Stephanie. Let's have more question and reflection for Mark.
What can we learn from this Gamaba Awardis about cultural preservation?
We can learn the importance of preserving traditional craft and cultural practices and promoting cultural awareness and appreciation.
How can we support and appreciate our national artists?
That's a great question. Can we support and appreciate our national artists by learning about their works, promoting their craft, and recognizing their contribution to the Philippine culture?
Thank you everyone for participating in this discussion. Let's have a round of applause to our speaker and participants.
This discussion highlights the significance of Gamaba awardees in preserving and promoting Philippines culture heritage. Let's continue to appreciate and
Mm.
support our national artists.
Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm.